Yes, be ready for the dictation. Start. Sir, I beg to move that the bill to give effect to the financial proposals of the central government for the financial year 2001 to be taken into consideration. Stanza. Sir, I had in my speech in the House on 24th July 2001 while presenting the budget for 2001 to explained the main features of the proposals contained in the bill. Stop. The explanatory memorandum circulated to the honorable members also contains the details of the specific provisions in the bill. Stop. I do not therefore propose to go over the detailed provisions of the bill once again. Stop. I feel gratified that the budget has evoked a great deal of interest, and during the debate on the budget in this House, a number of very constructive suggestions were made by the honorable members with regard to some of the proposals contained in the bill. Stop. I have also received a large number of representation from members of the public, trade unions, voluntary organizations, professional bodies and chambers of commerce on the proposals in the bill. Stop. I express my sincere gratitude to all of them for giving us these valuable suggestions. Stanza. I would like to assure the honorable members that we have given very careful consideration to all points which have been made with reference to my proposals. Stop. I had stated in my budget speech that I propose to make structural changes in our tax system. Stop. As the honorable members are aware, the government have since set up a tax reforms committee to look into the entire tax structure. Stop. The committee has been directed to submit an interim report within 3 months and the final report by February 28, 2001. Stop. While I will come before the House with comprehensive proposals after the reports have been received, I seek the indulgence of the honorable members to put forward proposals for amending some of the provisions in the Finance Bill 2001. Stanza. Taking up the provisions for direct taxes in line with our objective to giving a thrust to exports, I propose to increase the tax incentive for exporters under Section 80 HHC of the Income Tax Act. Stop. Profit on sale of EXIM scrips will be treated as exports profit in the proportion of the export turnover to the total turnover of the business. Full stop. Over.